Hey guys, we're at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2021 BMW R18. This is a first edition, 1800 cc's. This thing looks super cool. It is really fun to ride. It's got that awesome retro look to it, but also has all of the newer things you would want to find on a motorcycle. So it has ABS, front and rear, also runs off of a fob. It does have a key where you can lock the forks, but you don't need it to start the bike. Shaft driven, no belt, no chain. Here's that key fob. Bike also has heated grips, which is really nice. Here's the power button. Bike is on, and you can see that our miles are 395. Those were all demo miles. That is it. It does have a safety switch for me to start the bike. You have to pull the clutch in, so give me just a second. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come ride this thing. It is really fun.